Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix couldn't refresh Instagram feed. The first thing you'll need to do is go into Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Instagram and you want to check if the app needs updating. If it needs updating, I would recommend that you update the app. After you have done that, you're going to go back and you're going to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select apps. And from here, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner. And you're going to search for Instagram. After you have found Instagram, you're going to select storage. And you want to clear data and clear cache. And after you have done that, you will restart your device. And after you have restarted your device, you will go into Instagram and more than likely the problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix couldn't refresh Instagram feed.